Hi friends, welcome to ADJ Films. Today I will show you how to make camphor powered boat. It is a very simple and things needed are any cream tube empty or plastic, this type of material you can use, and you can use files and using that take a scissor and cut it in boat shape and make a small cut here so that we can place a camphor there, and you can also decorate it by making side walls, and you can also keep decorations like you can make like it yacht. Okay, fit the camphor to the boat in this place, and now we can leave it to float in water.